This is a new UK account, and in the next 7 days, I'm going to grow this account to 10,000 followers, monetize it, and show you guys how much I made. I'm going to do all this with simple, faceless content. You can copy the same style and grow your page. As we all know, once you get into the Creators Reward program, TikTok will start paying you for the views you get on your video. And this program is now available for Nigerian accounts. So if you don't have a UK account, later in this video, I'll tell you how you can get a UK account. And to get into the Creators Reward program, you need 10,000 followers. But getting 10,000 followers on TikTok is not hard. In this video, I'm going to prove that. The challenge I've already started. Now it's time for me to post my first video. But before that, I have to edit the name, the profile picture, and the bio to look professional. And then I will scroll on my FYP for some minutes so that TikTok will know that the account is active. Now it's time to post my first video. I need a niche that can actually be monetized, because not all niche can be monetized. This faceless account is already monetized. And all they do is they just take viral videos, add like 5 videos together and edit it, and their name is top 5 clips. I like this niche, but I want to start with something easy that everyone can do, even you as a beginner. So there's this other niche, I call it A versus B. This type of videos where you match 2 similar videos and compare A versus B. So that one is very easy to edit, and we are going to start with that. Here's an example. So this faceless account is also listed as one of the top performing accounts on the Creators Reward program, which means they are posting these A versus B videos and they are actually monetized. Now imagine how much they are making just by joining similar videos together. Let's start posting. So when I was scrolling on my FYP, I saw this video, and I think this video is going to be a good video because the original video did 80 million views on their main page. So let's see how well this video will do on my new account. I just finished editing the video and it went from looking like this to this. I also went to their page to download another video, but first I posted a movie clip I found on YouTube to test which one will perform better. So today we are starting with 3 videos. Tomorrow morning, the result of these videos will tell us if we are going to continue with this niche or change to another niche, because we have so many ideas. Good morning, today is day 2, so let's check our progress, how we have gone. So I'm predicting what I'm going to be predicting. This is that notification, boo. And before I open the account, I'm going to be predicting that we got at least 5 to 10,000 views. Because yesterday, before I slept off, one of the videos was already at 1,000. I think 1,200 views. So let's see how many views we got. Bro! To be honest with you, I wasn't expecting it to go like this. I was actually expecting something like 20k views on the first day, 30k views, and then go up like that. We have already passed 1 million views. The movie got 800 views, so basically this account, we are not going to be posting movie clip. So the first video, which is a movie clip, got 800 views. The second video got 800,000 views, and the third video got 500,000 views. And since we have already found the niche that is working for us, we are going to delete the movie clip. This is where I get the videos. The name of the page is The Smiley Farm. So let me select which videos I'm going to be posting today. The best way to select videos is to select videos that went viral, so you'll be sure that it will also get views on your page. I just posted 3 more videos on the account, and in the evening I'm still going to post more videos because I want to spam the videos. I couldn't film yesterday because I was too busy. But when I woke up yesterday, this is what the account looks like. The videos from the first day were still the most viewed videos. But later in the afternoon, all the videos I posted started popping up. So I posted 5 more videos yesterday, and this morning, this is what the account look like right now. I am going to try something new today.
So I'll be walking you through step by step on how you can create your own UK or US TikTok right here. Now, if you're asking me which of your country you should create, I highly and always recommend UK. All right, so that you will not have problem with the payment process when you want to update your payments and withdrawal, all those your account details. So I always advise people going for a UK TikTok. US TikTok is also good. They are eligible for monetization and they also pay. What we mean by monetization is, there are many ways to monetize on TikTok, but there's what we always call content monetization. Content monetization. All right, so that one is like a kind of TikTok paying you for your views, for your engagement, for everything you have on TikTok, unlike the other, as well as the other platform. Content monetization, that's it. I know YouTube, I think, if I could remember, TikTok, Nigerians are eligible for gifts. Those are the kind of things. If we are growing Nigerian TikTok, know that what you'll be earning is until you go live. People will be gifting you, or you want to do TikTok shop, you want to do produce partnership, running promotion for others. That's the only way you can earn. But TikTok will not pay you for your views. Even if you post something, you have up to 100k, 1 million followers, and you post something, you have like 2 million views, you will not be paid for it. Meanwhile, there are people who actually earning from TikTok from as little as 1k views, 500 views, even 200 views. TikTok will be paying you. So let me walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can create your own international TikTok account and get paid. And so the first thing you want to do is, before you go into this, you need to have an active VPN. You need to have an active VPN. As for me, I always recommend. What I will recommend for you is you go ahead. Here we have VPN Super. Here we have Super VPN. This is one I mostly recommend for almost everybody that asks me which VPN can they go for. don't have it, you just need to go to your Play Store. You just need to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. If you are using iPhone, go to your Apple Store and then do search for it. Go to the search bar. When you go to the search bar, just search for VPN Super. All right, when you search for VPN Super, you see this is the VPN Super, the one that I have installed in my phone. You can see this one, I have it already installed in my phone. If you don't have it installed in your phone, you go ahead and install it. After installing it, let's go ahead and open the VPN. Now when you go to open the VPN, what you have is, I would like you to connect it to US. Let's go with US TikTok account. All right, so once all this thing comes up, you close all this. We are going to use the free version, the free features. All right, so here that you are seeing, anything that comes up, always close it. Here that we are seeing location, and you are seeing fastest. I want you to go ahead and click on the fastest. Then go ahead and search for recent. My one recently I've been using London, so you can as well go ahead and use London. Click on London. Choose any location that you want to connect it to. All right. Choose any location that you want to connect it to. You can as well search for location. Now let this location be where you want to open your TikTok account. All right. So I will just go ahead and click on and select London. We have the United States logo here already. We'll click on London. Now you pick anyone here that is available. All right. So let me go to my recent and just pick the ones I normally use. Now ads will come up. You can allow the ads to play after play, because you are using a free version, you are not using the paid one. So allow the ads to play after the ad are finished loading. Be patient. So for the purpose of this class, let's just fast forward this. So when you finish, you see it here, you are connected to London. Right? So as you can see, the VPN is connected. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and create a Gmail. If you have a Gmail that you've used before, you can go ahead and use it. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and create a new Gmail. All right.
We'll go ahead to sign up to email. Now let me get to my email. I will just go ahead and search for where my Gmail is. Now when I search for my Gmail, I will open it. I will allow it to load up and then open. When it's loaded up and open, I will go to where I have my Gmail, and then I will go down to add another Gmail account. When I go to add another Gmail account, I will click on the Google account. Now we are adding a Google account. This is a Google account that I want to sign up. New Gmail. To ask me if I should authorize it, I will authorize. All right. So I will click on create a new account. What I want to do here is we are creating a new account for personal use, not business. So I'll go ahead and type on my name, Prince David. All right, I'll use that as my name and my surname. Now use that as my name and my surname. I will ask for date of birth. Let me just put an office May 998 997. Let me not this race. Me actually use 27. You can use whatever you want to use. All right, so let me use a year 2000. And you go ahead and select your gender. When you go ahead and select your gender, click on next. After clicking on next, it will load up and then it will ask you for username that you want to use. So let me username. Let me use Prince David. I'll use Prince David. No, there should not be space here. All right, so I'll delete it again. What is it? David 111. Let me use this Prince David 111. I'll click on next. If this username is available, I'll be allowed. But if it's already taken, as you can see here, that username is already taken. All right. Prince David. Let me put class, Prince David class, and see what happens here. All right. So the username is available. I will be asked to select a password. All right. So I will type in my password here. I'll type in my password here. Okay. And I'll click on next. And I'll click on next. Once I click on next, it will load up and brings. If I want to save this password, so I'll put my name. That was David class, and I will ask to verify my phone number. Guys, this is where you don't have any problem. Even if you're creating this, you want to use it for other some kind of business or whatever, you don't have any problem here. So you can actually add any phone number of the choice that you want to add here. Okay, so I will go ahead and add my Nigerian phone number. Don't forget, whether you are in Nigeria or any country that you want, this does not stop you or affect you in any way. Adding a phone number to this email that you want to create now. All right, so I'll go ahead and add my phone number here. First of all, you select your country of residence. When you select your country of residence, you go ahead and type in your phone number. 80. Right, so you confirm your phone number. When you click on next, you'll be told that not now. All right, so a code will be sent to your phone number. You can just go ahead and check your SMS right now. So after checking your SMS, a code is supposed to be sent to you. As for me, a code has been sent to me, so I will just enter the code that is sent to me right here. All right, so the code is 594862. 594862. I will enter and click on next. Now when I click on next, I will be asked to go through here. This other. Yes, I am in. All right, so you already have an account. Whatever. Oh, I already have an account. I'll continue creating new account. So this is telling me that I already have an account. If I make a mistake, I want to continue, so I'll click on continue creating new account. Review your account info, whatever. I'll click on next. All right, choose your settings, whatever. Choose one step. Make a single choice that applies to all settings. All right, so I'll click on this one, and I'll select all these things are just minor things. I will accept all the terms and conditions. I'll review and confirm. Now once I review and confirm, give me terms and the other one was privacy and terms. I'll go ahead and accept. And once I finish all those things, and then my new Gmail is ready. And since my new Gmail is ready, what I want to do is I will have to go to TikTok, and then I'll continue creating my my new TikTok account. Don't forget I said we have to use don't forget I said that we can use TikTok web if you have a problem. I'm using TikTok web for the purpose of those that are using Android phone, because this is the best way. This is the best way if you are using Android phone. So you go ahead and search for TikTok. When you go ahead and search for TikTok, when you go ahead and search for TikTok, the next thing all these things will pop up. Just you have to make sure you accept all the conditions that they are giving you. Alright? TikTok sign up. Search for TikTok sign up, then the sign up link will appear. Click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it will take you to where you have to sign up. Alright? So as I said earlier, if you want to sign up TikTok, and then you are seeing this here by continuing with an account, whatever, Nigerian, just know that you've been messed up. Alright? So here I forgot to on my VPN. That's why you are seeing that. I'll go ahead and turn on my VPN. If my VPN is not here, I'm using a different phone rather. Alright, so I'll go ahead on this very phone and download the VPN. So you give me a few minutes. Once I finish downloading the VPN, I'll come back. Alright, so the VPN is already here. So I'm done with the installing the VPN. I'll go ahead and click on open. After clicking on open here, I'll wait for it to load up. Don't forget, all these things will come out. I'll agree, allow, whatever. I'll close this. I'm not proceed with ads. Alright, okay. Allow. So I'll go ahead and click on fastest, as I said. Take London. Super VPN would like to add whatever. Okay, so just give it all necessary permission as required. Alright, so you come back here, it's connecting, and you can see boom, it's connected. Alright, so now after it's connected, the next thing we have to do is to go back to our Chrome browser. Don't forget, on our Chrome browser, what I used was an incognito tab, as it is called. Alright, so you go ahead and search for this TikTok sign up again. When you search for TikTok sign up, it comes up. You click here that they say sign up. When you click here that they say sign up, it will load up and take you to where you can actually sign up. Don't forget, when we checked the first time, we were asked sign up by Nigerian whatever. They gave us rules, which was the reason why I did not sign up. Okay, for here you can see that by continuing, you agree to TikTok terms and services. That Nigeria is no longer showing again. So that's to tell you that you are ready to sign up, and the country that will be used for you by default will be the country that you set your VPN to. Right, so you will go ahead. Okay, so what I will want you to do is to log in your TikTok through the TikTok web. Or if you don't have a TikTok yet, just go to tiktok.com. When you go to tiktok.com, normally this is the TikTok home screen. Whether you are signing or you are not signing, you start seeing videos. Okay. So when you type on tiktok.com, automatically it will bring you to a normal TikTok homepage. Here it's asking me to switch to normal TikTok app, but no, I don't want to use the TikTok app, so we'll click on no for now. Alright. So what you want to do is to go ahead and click on this. Go ahead and click on this button where we have the profile button. Go to your profile, and as you can see here, there's no TikTok that is logged in here. So I'll click on login. When I click on login, don't forget you have your own email already which you created, you want to use for this. So when you go here, you come here, if you are seeing this by continuing down here, you see by continuing you agree to TikTok terms and services. They did not include Nigerian TikTok terms and services. Just know that you are creating the international, and the location that is going to be shown to you is an international location based on the VPN you connected. So okay, so go ahead and click on continue with Google. Don't go with username or whatever, just click on continue with Google, and then we have choose an account you want to continue with. Now we have this email that we created. Alright, so I'll click on the Prince David class. When I click on it, it will load up and then brings up this for me. Then I'll click on continue. Once I click on continue, the next thing that will be shown to me is okay, here is asking me to put the email again. So no problem, I'll put the Prince David class. PrinceDavidClass@gmail.com. So go ahead and click the Prince David class at gmail.com, and I'll be asked to put the password. I will just go ahead and put the password that I use for this very email here. And then after putting the password that I use for this very email, I'll click on next. It will load up and ask me, you are signing back to TikTok. I'll agree. Alright, so it will load up and ask me to select two objects that are the same shape. Alright, so we have P here and we also have P here. I'll click on next. It will be verified and I'm good to go. I have to do my date of birth. So I will choose my date of birth. Here will ask me to choose a username, one that is suggested to me. Basic Technologies one. Alright, so now I have a message here, you are logged in. Alright, so when they said you are logged in successfully, this is a new TikTok account that is created. So what I want to, how do you know that if this TikTok account is a UK or a US, or if it's okay? Alright, so you go ahead to where you have your profile again, go to where you have this button at the top here, then go to manage account. When you go to manage account, you can see your account region. We have United Kingdom. Alright, and the next thing you want to see, let's check if monetization is eligible. If this account is eligible for monetization, you go to where we have this. Okay, I think that will only be on the TikTok app. That's where we'll be able to see that, the TikTok Creator Studio. On here, you will not be able to see Creator Studio, at least not for now, because this is just a fresh account. Alright, if not, when you go to the three dots, you're supposed to see TikTok Creator Studio or whatever. From there, you can check if the eligible, whatever the eligibility for monetization. Alright, intellectual property policy, this is always on a UK account, but nevertheless, we have a UK account here. Account region is UK. So what I want you to do is that you have to keep this account. Just keep this account without users. Let's keep it for at least of 24 hours before you can come in and log in here. And when you log in, don't post anything. Start engaging. You cannot just create an international account and then the next thing you just start posting it. It looks as if it's a robot. So you just have to go ahead and start engaging. Check other videos. Watch people videos. Comment, likes, comment, likes. If possible, share. Yeah, if possible, share. It doesn't cost you anything. All right. I don't follow anybody first. Just continue. If you can do that for at least one day or even 2 days, it's better. So that you want. All right. Thank you. That's how you can create it.
I've noticed that people engage more on posts with celebrities. This video currently have 2.6 million views with just 17,000 likes. At first, I thought the fault was from my own page until I checked the page of the real owners of the video, and I saw that they were also having low engagement on their video, even though their videos do millions of views. You can see their last video got 46,000 views, 800 likes, and just 2 comments. So today, I'll try posting one I Show Speed live clip and then one A and B video. As you can see, all the views are coming from the FYP and the account is in good standard. Today is day 5. I just woke up and these are the 2 videos I posted yesterday. The I Show Speed live stream got 4,000 views and the A versus B video got 14,000 views. So you already know which one we are going to continue tomorrow. See you tomorrow. We just hit 10,000 followers. So now it's time to apply for the Creators Reward Program. But before we apply, we need to click on Account Check to see if our account is in good standards so we don't get rejected when we apply for the Creators Reward Program. I have just applied for the Creators Reward Program and in less than 1 minute, you can see the time. When I was doing account check, it was 7:13 and 1 minute later, it's 7:40. And TikTok just sent me, welcome to the Creators Reward Program. Our account is officially monetized. There are 2 things we need to do here. The first one is verify identity and the second one is set up payments method. As you can see, I just added my UK account number. If you don't know how to create UK bank account number, I made a video on that. Now my payment method have been set. It's time to verify your identity. You can actually verify your identity with your international passport or your national ID card. Few minutes later, I saw a notification. You have verified your identity and set up payment method. So now we can start posting 1 minute plus video and start making, okay. And this is the actual RPM of the first video I posted after getting monetized. The RPM is 37 cents. RPM is how much TikTok pay you for 1,000 views, which is good because the video got 317 views and made 12 cents. So as of the time I'm editing this video, I will also show you the current view, how many views the video have currently. And the reason why the RPM is high, because the top location of the people watching the video is from United States. Now that the challenge have officially ended, and the account is officially monetized, it's time for me to actually tell you guys the truth. I'm recording this video months after doing the challenge because I didn't want to post this video at first because I failed the challenge. The page actually got monetized on day 8 instead of day 7. So I failed the challenge and I wanted to try it back. I felt like day 8 and day 7 is kind of like the same thing, even though I failed the challenge. But it got monetized in 8 days. And there are people out there who this video will motivate to create content and do what. So now I'm deciding to post the video again. So if you notice, like, I'm not even looking the same. Like, this page, I don't know what to do with this page, so I'm probably going to leave it there. If you want to go and check it out, you can go and check it out. Also, if you don't have a UK account and you're a Nigerian, you can message us with this number and send us your email. We are going to create your UK account immediately with just 5,000 naira. It's not free. You can also DM for private mentorship and anything. See, if you DM me, anything you DM me for is not free. So just know it. Anything I post here is free. But anything you DM me for, if you message me, it's not free. It's a service, okay?